Today we'll be replacing the lower control arm ball joints on a 2016 Toyota 4Runner, but the tips here can be used on a variety of vehicles. We'll show how to remove press fit ball joints with a torch and how to press them in with an OTC ball joint press. This is a tool that can be rented at most auto parts stores. From the factory, the parts must be heated and or frozen before being pressed together because it's not possible to simply press them out without heat.
Process I use for cutting these ball joints out is first cut around the edge of the ball joint cup, where then I can take a hammer and knock the stud and the ball out. Once that's out of the way, I can torch right down through the middle and through the back side of the ball joint. Then I can cut relief cuts from each side to relieve the stress, and then I can drive the rest of it out with a hammer. Now we're going to take this drum flap disc just on a drill, put it in here and go around and just clean up the bore to make sure there's no burrs or anything that's going to get the new ball joint's going to get caught on when I'm pressing it in. Alright, now we're set up to press our new ball joint into the lower control arm. Every vehicle's different, but the ball joint press kit with the adapter kit has numerous types of adapters for different vehicles, and you just have to determine which ones work for your application. You never use an impact or anything pneumatic or electric to put a ball joint in, because if you catch any kind of a burr or bind anything up, you'll break your tool, break your adapters, any number of things. With a ratchet, you know it's moving and you can make sure it's up tight and you know when it's seated. All right.
This is the finished product. Hopefully you found the process interesting. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.